You will soon be able to go to a local store without a prescription and buy Narcan, the drug that reverses an overdose. Thank you for joining us. I'm Deborah Morgan.
And I'm Dan Haggerty. Today, the FDA approved it for over-the-counter use at a time when the opioid crisis is worse than ever. More than 4,000 North Carolinians lost their lives to an overdose in 2021, according to state health officials.
That is the highest number of overdose deaths in a single year on record in the state. WRAL's Brett Neese is live in Raleigh with what access will soon look like. Brett?
Deborah and Dan, before today, you could get Narcan through the local health department, or you need a prescription to get it at a pharmacy like this one in here in 5 Points. But now you'll be able to get it over the counter here, or you can go across the street and get it at a convenience store like this. In their line of work, Wake County Sheriff's deputies know how vital the overdose reversing drug Narcan is.
That you can have somebody that is 1 minute appears to be very close to death to the next minute to be very much alive.
Deputy Beckley Vaughn has used Narcan on at least 12 people in the last few years. Only once has it not worked.
Narcan can give you a second chance. It gives you the opportunity to make changes in your lifestyle, but you have to be willing to do that as well.
Those second chances are why advocates praise today's decision by the FDA to approve the over-the-counter sale of Narcan. But there could still be a barrier for those who need it most.
The cost of naloxone, the nasal spray, is still too high, $40 to $90. If the price of the nasal spray of the antidote is more than the price of a dime bag of fentanyl, then we're on the wrong side of the equation.
Dr. Nabarun Dasgupta is hopeful the wider availability will bring the price down. But he says beyond that, the priority should be addiction treatment, especially for people who have had naloxone used on them.
It's a miracle drug, but the real miracle happens in all the care that people give someone after they've overdosed. Like really meeting them where they're at and helping them through whatever difficulties they're going through in their life right now.
So today's approval doesn't mean you'll be able to walk into a store like this tonight and pick up Narcan. That likely won't be until the end of the summer, until other rules and regulations are put in place. Dan and Deborah.
Brett Neese, live for us in Raleigh. Thanks, Brett.